Hey everyone, welcome back to Programmers Mode. Today we have got some exciting news. MongoDB just made a huge move by acquiring Voyage AI. But what does this mean for AI developers and businesses? Stick around and I will break it into simplest way possible. AI is awesome. It's changing the way we work, shop, and even talk to the customer service bots. But here's the problem. AI sometimes make things up. This is called hallucination. Many of you might know about it. Imagine asking an AI assistant for financial advice and it gives you complete wrong information about it. That's not just annoying, it can be dangerous. The main issue isn't AI itself, it's how it finds and retrieves information. AI models rely on databases, but most databases weren't designed for AI. This means they pull in the wrong data or miss important details. Right now, developers have to piece together different tools just to get AI to work properly, and that's a huge headache. This is where MongoDB's big move comes in. They just acquired Voyage AI, a company that's amazing at helping AI find the right data. Here's how it works in simple terms. There's term called embeddings. Think of this as AI's ability to truly understand what words, images, or even code mean. Re-ranking. Imagine searching for something on Google, but instead of a messy list, you instantly get the best and most relevant results at the top. By building this tech directly into MongoDB, developers don't need extra tools or complicated setups. The database itself will handle smart AI powered search. Let's say you have a customer chatbot. Before this, your bot might give confusing or incorrect responses, but with Voyage AI inside MongoDB, the bot can now pull up the most accurate and useful info. That means fewer frustrated customers and a much better experience. So, what does this mean for developers? Instead of juggling different AI tools and data sources, everything will build right into MongoDB. Here's what's coming: AI powered search directly in MongoDB Atlas, auto embeddings so AI understands and retrieves data better, custom AI models for different industries like finance, healthcare, law, and so on. Basically, building AI apps will be easier, faster, and way more reliable. This is a game changer for AI and databases. MongoDB and Voyage AI are making AI applications smarter, more accurate, and much simpler to build. What do you think about this move? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.